This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.
Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff Farnham. Have you been thinking about buying a home but are hearing that rates are rising? There's been a lot of movement with interest rates lately, so I wanted to give you an update on what we're seeing and what it means to the potential home buyers in the market. The short answer is don't panic. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage is up over 1/4 percentage point from the first week of the year. 30-year fixed mortgage rates have increased for 4 consecutive weeks and are now slightly above where they were last year at this time. However, rates are still low compared to the average over the past 3 decades. A 4.5% or even a 6% rate is a good long-term fixed rate. We've had a lot of phone calls these first few weeks of the year from first-time home buyers. I want to encourage you to give us a call if you're looking for a home and don't know where to start. JTS & Company was founded on the ideas of service and education. We want to make sure you understand the process and what to expect throughout the process and help it be a time of joy and less stress. Don't let the unknown keep you from giving JTS & Company a call. We do this every day, but understand that you don't. Becoming your own loan officer isn't necessary to get a home loan. The Federal Reserve did not hike rates at the last meeting, but the market views future hikes as a near certainty. According to Freddie Mac Deputy Chief Economist Lynn Kiefer, the expectation of future Fed rate hikes and increased borrowing by the U.S. Treasury is putting upward pressure on interest rates. My advice is if you're looking to buy a home, now is a better time than later. The market is off and running already this year. January has flown by and spring and summer will be here before we know it. Go ahead and get your pre-qualification application in and start the process of finding a home. You must be pre-qualified to know how much home you can afford and then find the home that fits your family best. Finding a home can sometimes take more time than anticipated. It's better to get started with the process earlier than you may think is necessary. When it comes to financial matters such as this, it is so important to work with JTS & Company versus a national 1-800 lender. We are a local, trusted, experienced, and are able to provide personalized advice geared toward your specific goals and situation, even face-to-face if necessary. Give us a call today and let us get to work. We're ready when you are. Thanks for joining me today, but be sure to tune in next week.
This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS Company Mortgage Professionals.